How can you sort the iPhone text by date? Let me show you all the important information about it. Let's get started. And if you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, when you open up your messages and browse your texts right here, you're going to notice that they are by default sorted by the date, right? So the latest ones are at the bottom, and as you keep on scrolling up, you'll see the date like in the middle of the screen, and you'll see that this is the date and time when the photos or messages or whatever here has been sent, right? So by default, it already gets like filtered that way. However, a lot of people would like to filter by specific date, right? Or sort, by some kind of whatever, right? But you can basically just go to the main messages page and go to the search at the bottom and literally just type in, for example, the September 4th, right? Or December 4th, whatever, just choose and type in the date, and you'll see some messages from some people, right? Depends on how many things you have available or how many messages you have, but you'll be able to see some stuff. You'll be able to see all. You can click on all and you'll be able to see all of the messages sent on that date. So that's actually very interesting because the application allows you to filter through that, right? So even if you type in at the year after it, it will show you some different messages from that year, right? So you can literally look it up and you'll be able to just find it like that, right? So also next to it or after that thing, you should be able to also type in the name. So yeah, the whole point is that the search field in at the bottom of the messages it allows you to use keywords like the date, year, and also the name of the recipient. So you can literally just look up and sort the messages at least that way. So that's something I wanted to show you. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.